In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Hostinger 404 not found error. Now, encountering a 404 error can be frustrating, but don't worry. It's often a straightforward issue that you can resolve with a few adjustments. By the end of this guide, you'll be well equipped to tackle this error and get your site back on track. So let's dive right in. First, recognize that if you've recently registered a new domain or changed your DNS settings, these changes can take up to 24 hours to fully propagate. During this time, your site might show a 404 error simply because the internet needs time to update with the latest information. So, patience here can be key, as this is a temporary situation. The next step is to check if the domain is correctly added to your hosting plan. Head over to your Hostinger control panel, known as hPanel, and ensure your domain is attached. This will open the main dashboard where you can see your website list and their respective statuses. If your domain isn't listed, that could be the root of the problem, so make sure to add it. Once you've done that, take a moment to double check the URL you're trying to access. A simple typo in the domain name or a page slug can often lead to a 404 error. Just make sure that all paths and file names are correct and try accessing the page again. Moving on, let's consider the HTTPS/SSL configurations. If your site is intended to be secure but doesn't have an SSL certificate properly installed, it could result in access issues. You might also face a mixed content warning, where secure and non-secure data is trying to load simultaneously. Ensure your SSL is installed and address any mixed content problems through your security settings in hPanel. Sometimes content might appear missing, especially if the 404 page previously existed but doesn't now. Check your backups and restore any missing pages or files that may have been accidentally deleted or misplaced. Next, don't forget to clear your browser cache or even your DNS cache, because cache data might hark back to older 404 inducing site versions. This simple act sometimes clears up the issue immediately. Incorrect file or directory permissions can also cause 404 errors for specific files or folders. Make sure these permissions are set correctly by navigating to the settings in hPanel and adjusting them accordingly. For those using WordPress, you might want to recreate your permalinks, replace problematic .htaccess files with default settings, or temporarily disable plugins to identify any conflicts. These specific steps can often rectify the issue if the standard methods haven't worked. In conclusion, troubleshooting a 404 error on Hostinger doesn't need to be daunting. With these steps, you're set to find and fix the issue efficiently. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, comment below any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.